Welcome to Hunza Valley, the crown jewel of Gilgit-Baltistan, Pakistan. Surrounded by the mighty Karakoram Mountains, Hunza is often called paradise on earth. As you enter the valley, the breathtaking Rakapashi Peak greets you with its snow-covered charm. The crystal-clear Altit Lake, formed after a landslide in 2010, now shines like a turquoise gem, attracting travelers from around the world. The people of Hunza are known for their warm hospitality and long, healthy lives, often referred to as the land of longevity. The valley is home to historic treasures like Baltit Fort and Altit Fort, showcasing centuries-old culture and architecture. Hidden in the breathtaking mountains of Hunza lies a timeless symbol of history and culture, the magnificent Baltit Fort. As you enter the valley, the breathtaking Rakapashi Peak greets you with its snow-covered charm. The crystal-clear Altit Lake, formed after a landslide in 2010, now shines like a turquoise gem, attracting travelers from around the world. The people of Hunza are known for their warm hospitality and long, healthy lives, often referred to as the land of longevity. The valley is home to historic treasures like Baltit Fort and Altit Fort, showcasing centuries-old culture and architecture. In the heart of Hunza Valley lies one of Pakistan's most breathtaking wonders, the turquoise jewel of the Karakoram, Altit Lake. This lake was born out of tragedy in 2010, when a massive landslide blocked the Hunza River. What was once destruction turned into a paradise of beauty. Today, Altit Lake stretches for more than 20 kilometers, surrounded by towering mountains, offering crystal-clear waters perfect for boating, jet skiing, and fishing. With lakeside resorts, cozy cafes, and the warmth of Hunza hospitality, Altit has become a must-visit destination for travelers from around the world. As the sun sets behind the Karakoram peaks, Altit Lake glows like liquid gold. A reminder that even in loss, nature creates miracles. Altit Lake is more than a tourist spot. It is a story of resilience, beauty, and the timeless charm of Hunza. Perched high on a rocky cliff overlooking Hunza Valley, stands one of the oldest monuments of the region, the majestic Altit Fort. Built around 900 years ago, Altit Fort was the seat of the Hunza rulers before Baltit Fort. Its strategic position gave it control over ancient trade routes along the Silk Road. The fort's architecture is a masterpiece, blending stone, wood, and mud, designed to survive centuries of harsh mountain weather. Inside, visitors discover royal chambers, hidden passageways, and centuries-old artifacts that tell stories of Hunza's rich history and traditions. Thanks to restoration efforts, Altit Fort now stands not only as a historical site, but also as a symbol of cultural revival, where the community celebrates its heritage. With its ancient walls and breathtaking views, Altit Fort is more than history. It is the living heartbeat of Hunza's glorious past. Rising dramatically from the Karakoram range, these unique jagged peaks are known as the Pasu Cones, one of the most photographed landmarks of Pakistan. Located in the Gojal Valley of Upper Hunza, Pasu Cones, also called Pasu Cathedral, reach heights of over 6,000 meters, creating a skyline that looks almost unreal. The peaks cannot be climbed, but they continue to fascinate adventurers, photographers, and travelers from around the globe. At the base of these majestic mountains lies the charming Pasu village, surrounded by golden fields and the serene Hunza River. At sunrise and sunset, the cones glow in golden hues, a breathtaking reminder of nature's artistry in the Karakoram. Pasu cones are more than mountains. They are the crown of Hunza, a timeless wonder that leaves every traveler spellbound. Across the Hunza River, embraced by the mighty Karakoram Mountains, lies the breathtaking Nagar Valley, a land of beauty, culture, and adventure. Nagar is home to some of the world's most stunning landscapes, from snow-covered Rakapashi and Duran peaks to glittering glaciers like Hopar and Hispar. Here, nature blends with tradition. The warm-hearted people of Nagar keep alive their centuries-old customs, language, and hospitality. For adventurers, Nagar Valley is a paradise, offering trekking routes, glacier walks, and panoramic views that make every journey unforgettable. As dawn breaks, the mighty peaks shine like diamonds, reflecting the timeless beauty of Nagar Valley. Nagar Valley is not just a destination, it is a magical experience, where culture. In the heart of Upper Hunza lies one of the most daring and breathtaking bridges in the world, the Hussaini Suspension Bridge. Built with ropes and wooden planks, this bridge stretches nearly 400 feet across the fast-flowing Hunza River, connecting the village of Hussaini to Zarabad. Known as one of the most dangerous bridges on earth, every step here is an adventure. As the wind blows and the bridge shakes, you can feel your heart race, but the view is absolutely worth it. Thousands of travelers visit this bridge each year, not just for the thrill, but to witness the raw beauty of Hunza's rugged landscapes. From the middle of the bridge, you can see the stunning Pasu cones and the turquoise Hunza River flowing beneath, a view that captures the true spirit of the Karakoram. The Hussaini Suspension Bridge is more than a crossing, it's a symbol of courage, beauty, and the adventurous soul of Hunza Valley. Welcome to Luxus Hunza, a paradise of peace and luxury built on the breathtaking shores of Adabad Lake. Surrounded by the mighty Karakoram Mountains, Luxus Hunza offers world-class comfort in the heart of nature, where every window opens to a view you'll never forget. From cozy, elegant rooms to private lake view balconies, every detail here is designed for relaxation and nestled high in the northern mountains of Pakistan lies a paradise on earth, the breathtaking Hunza Valley. Known as the heaven on earth, Hunza is surrounded by the world's tallest peaks, Rakapashi, Altir Sar, and Ladyfinger, standing like silent guardians of this magical land. The people of Hunza are as beautiful as their land, known for their kindness, simplicity, and remarkable longevity. From ancient forts like Baltit and Altit, to the turquoise waters of Adabad Lake, and the majestic Pasu cones, every corner of Hunza tells a story of history, beauty, and pride. Hunza is not just a destination, it's an experience. A place where adventure meets peace, and nature connects you to your soul. As the sun sets behind the mountains, Hunza Valley whispers its timeless charm, reminding us that true beauty lies where the heart feels free.